Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about the AI models. AI models. Consider the typical chess scenario. This is a complex scenario when we compare that to the tic-tac-toe, but that is still constrained. There are two aspects that could be viewed from chess program. They were knowledge-based search and knowledge acquisition and representation. Models which are used for applications like chess programs, they were not effective for the other applications because the scenario is different. The advent of natural language processing and the need for man machine dialogue made it more evident that the models used so far had their own limitations. The formal models were proposed to solve AI problems. The requirement of complex problem solving gave birth to dynamic inductive models. Human behavior and psychological study based inductive dynamic models for creative problem solving slowly became popular. This picture shows how the complexity is increasing towards the AI application building and mapping. Knowledge-based model building, it's involving low complexity and focuses on creating systems that rely on predefined knowledge or rules. The best example would be the rule-based expert system. AI application building, it represents high complexity. The reason is it is integrating multiple AI components. The best example is the self-driving cars because it is relying on a number of technologies like vision, navigation, and decision making as well. That's why it's of high complexity. Discovering relationships, it's a simple task because it's focusing on extracting patterns or insights from the data. The best example is the segmentation of customers. We do use the clustering algorithms based on which we try to discover the relationships. Mapping, it's a high complexity task because the given raw data, we are going to convert that to actionable and complex knowledge. Example, the GBT systems. So what they do, they just process and map sentences into some meaningful and context-rich responses. And these are the two models, semiotic models and statistical models. The semiotic models, it's mainly based on sign and their processes, that's semiotics. They focus on how the meaning is assigned and communicated using signs and codes. And statistical models, they mainly use some statistical techniques to represent and formalize the relationships in data. So they are going to analyze the historical data to identify the patterns and relationships. Also, they do use probabilistic approaches and statistical functions like probability density functions based on which they make the predictions or decisions. The example for the statistical models is we need to do the prediction based on some historical data. For example, prediction of a customer behavior using some historical purchase data. These models will analyze the trends and thereby they will predict the future purchases. In this video, we have discussed about the different AI models. Thank you.